Hello, it's Wednesday, November the 5th, 2014, and I'm Martin Smith, Financial Analyst at UFX Trading Support Center with your daily trading outlook. Wall Street traded mixed as low oil prices dragged down energy shares. The Dow Jones rose by 0.10%, the S&P 500 fell by 0.28%, and the NASDAQ lost 0.33% from its value. The US dollar traded lower against most major currencies, all affected by the Congressional Elections. Also, the US trade balance came out worse than expected at minus 43 billion versus minus 40 billion forecast, and the factory orders report came out at minus 0.6% versus minus 0.4 forecast. Today, the ADP Non-farm Employment Change is expected at 214,000 versus 213, and the ISM Manufacturing PMI at 58.2 versus 58.6. Gold rose by 0.32% to close at $1,168 an ounce. Crude oil dropped by 1.69% to close at $77.45 a barrel, as Saudi Arabia, the top oil exporter, reduced prices to the United States. Today, the crude oil inventories is expected at 1.8 million versus 2.1 previously. The euro traded higher versus the US dollar on a better than expected European PMI. As long as the euro dollar is trading above the support line of 125, it's expected to rise towards 128 soon. Breaking below this line may lead the pair to around 123. The pound rose versus the US dollar despite the construction PMI coming out worse than expected at 61.4 versus 63.5 forecast. The pound dollar is trading below the bearish trend line with a momentum indicator below zero. Maintaining these conditions may lead the pair to around 158, while breaching the line may take it up towards 164. Finally, the New Zealand dollar gained versus the US dollar on strong local economic data. The labour cost index came out unchanged at 0.5%, the employment change better than expected at 0.8 versus 0.6, and the unemployment rate at 5.4 versus 5.5 forecast. The pair has failed to break the critical support line of 0.7725. Remaining above this line may lead the New Zealand dollar towards 0.80, while breaking below it may take the pair to 0.76. Well, that's it for today. Join us again tomorrow morning as we continue to bring you the latest market news. Until then, be sure to log in to ufx.com for all your trading needs, and where your personal account manager is ready to answer all your questions. From all of us here at UFX, we wish you a successful trading day.